myself Kamlesh.
This is Lokesh.
We did a project on motion alert, which detects the motion in front of the camera and sends the images to the Telegram if there is a motion. Now let's take a look at the components that are needed. First of all, the most important thing we need is ESP32 cam. The ESP32 cam is used to capture the image. As you can see here, there is a camera here, and as we move by, we can see a PA sensor. The PA sensor is used to detect the motion which will be when the object is in front. And the third part is a TTL programmer. The TTL programmer is the one in which we program like sending images to the Telegram and other sorts of things. And as we move by, we can see here we need a breadboard and some jumper wires, and that's all the things that we needed for the project. We are done.
Now connect ESP32 cam module in the breadboard, and then connect TTL programmer to the breadboard. Now connect both TTL programmer to ESP32 cam module. Make the connection properly. Now connect PIR sensor. First, you need to install Arduino software. Let's go to Google Chrome and search for Arduino. You can see that Arduino IDE. Now click this. You can see that various options are there for various operating system. Just download for your operating system. As I already downloaded, I am not installing it. We can see that Arduino symbol is here. Now just go to that symbol. Here you can see that file section. Click open. Here you can see the program. Now open it. Now click upload. You need to set your Wi-Fi ID and password, and you need to get a token from Telegram and your chat ID. While uploading, you need to select the board, ESP32 rover module, and upload speed and frequency and flash mode and the same partition, and you need to select the port, and at programmer you need to select Arduino ISP. You can see the green bar is filling up. Now you can see that the code is uploading to the board. Now you can see that the board is uploaded. Now you can remove the two jumpers from the board.
So now we take a look at on how to get ID and API pin from the bot father through the Telegram. So you have to type bot father. As you can see here, there is a verified profile here. After getting into it, you have to give start, and it will give all the description and the facilities that are available there. And you must give new bot, and it will ask for a name. There you must give the name for your bot, and it will ask you to give a suffix bot to your bot name, and you must give that. There you can get the API pin. This is the API pin actually, which is starting with 1785. Now we should go get into get ID of bot. As you can see here, this is so like the bot further here also we have to give the hashtag start. Once you give, you will be able to get ID. So you have to get you have to fill this ID and that API pin in the Arduino program. After this, if you search your bot name in the search bar, you will be able to get the identity. As you can see here, there is this is our bot name, and you will be able to see our program output here. As of now, there is no any motion, so there is no image sent to the Telegram. Now there is a motion, and hence the image is shown on the Telegram.
The main application of our project is index forest, where human entry is prohibited. The other purpose of our project is for security purpose, and we can use this for monitoring our children. And yeah, that's it. This concludes our project.